Study medicine at the University of New South Wales, where everyone is unique, unless you're Asian.
Next stop, Brown Town.